Alright guys, so these are some seedlings, alapnisan seedlings or agarwood seedlings, no. So ito yung mga natira, muna siya nang bili, no. So daghan-daghan pa niya, wala pa natanom. So hindi pa natin ito na itanim. We have not planted them yet. So some others are being planted already. And so these are some of the seedlings that were being planted already in the farm. Yes, you have planted them. Alright. So these are Aquilaria microcarpa, no? So they are now growing at 8 feet already. Alright. So already 8 feet, no, Thai. These are Aquilaria microcarpa. So yan na, no, ang ating microcarpa. So we have planted also our Aquilaria malacensis. So it's never too late to plant Aquilaria trees, agarwood producing trees. As they have grown now, it's growing fast. So if you have any interest, you can plant Aquilaria microcarpa or Aquilaria malacensis. So yan, magtanim lang, no. It's never too late. So di pa huli ang tanan, it's not yet too late. Hindi pa huli ang lahat. You can plant these trees, agarwood producing trees. Alright, so it's good to plant some. So magtanim lang, no. Hindi pa huli ang lahat, no. So we can plant as many as we want.